Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. As you can see, I use the reed switch as detector tube, and I connect this reed switch to the CD40983. This is my multi-purpose detector project. Several videos I have how to make that. And I believe when the electrodes inside the reed switch are too close, they can work as detector, because of when the electrodes are too close, they're gonna be conductive, and my detector can make activities with the radioactive elements. Here is my test gadget, Marashi 241. Let's go and take a test. It is working really well. I believe that when this tube don't need any gas inside and don't need high voltage like 400, like Muller Geiger, this is working pretty nice. One more time. I will do with Terran and Mercium for the all around the tube. Wow. Very nice. Thanks for watching. I will try with the other radioactive elements. Goodbye.